Hi everyone, it's yours from Pwuffy and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a BTS Army Bomb shaker. I've been posting these on my Instagram recently and I'm so in love with how the glitter moves inside. I've been posting these on my Instagram and a lot of you guys have asked me to make a long form tutorial showing you guys exactly how I make it with all the little steps that I don't show on my TikToks. Yeah, the glitter pieces inside are inspired by their song Butterfly, which is why the glitter in there, some of them are shaped like butterflies. I'll be linking those in the description below so you can get the same type of glitter. Also, you don't have to use the same type of glitter that I'm using. You can use any type of glitter you want. These are super simple to make. I would say they are the easiest type of charms I've made on my channel so far. So I feel like anyone would be able to make them. I'm so excited to show you guys how I make them and let's get started. Let's begin by making the shaker portion first. I got these hollow glass balls off Amazon, which I'll be linking below. There are so many sizes you can get, but these are 16 millimeters. I first filled mine with hollow glitter flakes, which are super important to get that sparkly look when you shake it around. Next, I put in some gold microbeads, butterfly glitter, and star glitter. Next, take a pipette and fill it with baby oil. Use it to fill the globe about halfway. To color the liquid, I use powder pigment. This will give the oil a purple tint. I use the tip of the syringe to aggressively mix, but any thin tool will do. Fill the rest of the space with more baby oil. Line the edge of the opening with UV resin. Make sure this is thick enough because when you stick on the cap, there should be no more oil leaking from the sides. Carefully place on the cap and cure the UV resin using a UV light. Now it's time to make the clay portion. You will need black, red, and silver clay. To make the little hat on top, I don't know what it's called, flatten out a circular piece of clay. Use a dotting tool to make an indent in the center and press a tiny piece of red clay into it. For the stick part of the light stick, take a larger ball of black clay and roll it out. Leave one side thicker than the other. Press down on the thick side so that the end is flat, then pinch 4 sides to mimic the wavy design of the actual light stick. Make sure the stick fits the sugar part. Press a tiny ball of black for the button. For the logo, first flatten out a silver ball of clay. Use an X-Acto knife to cut out a rectangle. Then cut out wide triangles on opposite ends. Split the piece in half to make the 2 parts of the logo. Place these at the base of the light stick. Bake the clay according to the instructions on the package. Now it's time to assemble the parts together. Apply some super glue next to the cap at this angle and stick on the little hat. Then put some super glue at the fat end of the stick and glue on the shaker ball. Your shaker should be functional by now, and all we have to do is glaze the clay part. Use a paintbrush to coat the light stick with UV resin. Don't coat the shaker part since it's already protected and smooth. After you're finished, cure the resin using a UV light. And here's the finished product. You can make so many different types of shakers with these. I made pink and blue ones in addition to the one in this tutorial. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, all I ask is for you to destroy that like button. And if you guys have any comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. And if you guys enjoy the tutorials I post on here, all I ask in return is for you to subscribe to me. I would really appreciate that. Really helps me out a lot and it costs $0. I hope you guys have an amazing day and I'll see you next week. Bye!